Hey there everyone, welcome to the Ukestuff channel and welcome to this comparison video of two Aklot concert ukuleles. I recently re-reviewed under the Ukeid format this instrument. This is the Aklot AKC-23 concert ukulele, and this is the Aklot, I'm not sure which one this is. I think it's the AKB, and I think it'd be the 123 model, but anyway, it is Aklot's bamboo concert ukulele. Without a doubt, this is one of my favorite ukuleles, even though it's inexpensive. And this one, I was originally sent one by Aklot to review. This one I bought out of pocket. And then there was this weird thing that happened with Aklot and their PR. And after we posted reviews, they said, you can't mention that we gave it away to you. They've since changed all that. But anyway, I gave away that instrument to my niece, and I recently bought this one used from Goodwill because I missed it so much. And I just wanted to do a quick comparison with these two ukuleles and let you hear them side by side. And these are both inexpensive ukuleles. This one is under $80. This one is under $70. That I'm going to be holding on to for forever, as long as I play. So this one still has its stock strings, and I don't know how old it is. This one has fluorocarbon strings that I put on it, which this one will eventually get as well. But I just want to do a quick comparison of these two. Now, the only other thing that I wanted to mention is the bags. Aklot has improved their bag situation in the past couple of years. So this is the awesome bag that comes with the bamboo. And I'm going to be buying one of these for the AKC-23. The AKC-23 still comes with a totally serviceable gig bag, but it's this much less nice gig bag. So the only negative here is that the Aklot logo doesn't match what they have on the bag with what's on the headstock. So that's a really minor complaint. But other than that, I really, really, really love this instrument. And eventually, I would like to get the Cala concert and compare it with this instrument so that, you know, I can compare two bamboo ukuleles that look very similar with each other. This one has been fully reviewed on this channel as well. So let me play the two instruments and get on with the day. So here we go. A little bit of Mark Pugh's Snowden Symphony. All right, on to the bamboo. All right, and a little Beethoven. All right, on to the bamboo. All right, how about my little Ukestuff song? And on to the bamboo. Now, just really quickly, there are a couple of things that I don't like about each of these instruments, and that's okay. It's okay to have things you don't like about an instrument and still love it. And again, I love this one so much that I bought a new to me used one from Goodwill at a good price, even though $70 is not a lot for this instrument. Love the solid top with it, but I don't like the orange color. I don't like the dove bridge, and I don't like the color of the side position markers because they're just hard to see. On the bamboo, the things that I don't like really is that this one is not have as nice of a comfort edge on the side as the AKC-23, but even more so, I don't like the fact that the front position markers are white, as are the side position markers, because you just can't see them. Also, they put in the wrong label, and mine is sort of like chipped out. So mine doesn't actually have the label in there. I'd rather have no label or the right label. And that's it. Other than that, I really love the headstock of this one, and I love the looks of this one, and I love the playing experience of this one. And then with both, you have a very standard 35 millimeter nut, narrow string spacing, and thick C-shaped necks that are exactly the same in terms of profile. I mean, they feel almost exactly the same. So ultimately, two instruments that I love a lot, both very inexpensive. You can get into both on Amazon for under $150, which is pretty amazing of what you can get. And if you like other scales, they also have other scales of these instruments too. There are some tenors in this, and of course I think there are soprano concert tenors, tenor 8 strings, and even electric versions, electroacoustic versions of this. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this quick, just sort of comparison and demonstration of these two instruments, the Aklot Bamboo Concert and the Aklot AKC-23 solid mahogany top concert ukuleles. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.